Hi Weber fans, so I'm going to find out the best way to cook your corn and prepare your corn on your WEBER. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Hi Weber fans, now don't forget everything used in my video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. So make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so today we're going to be checking out the best way to prepare and cook that corn on the cob on the BBQ. Now some people might not like corn on the cob. I love corn on the cob. The only thing I hate is the kernels getting in your teeth. It's really annoying. So today we're going to be preparing that corn. We're going to be trying out a couple of ways of preparing it. So what I'm going to see is whether you can butter it and season it, and whether you can just season it and put it in tin foil, or whether it tastes better just cooked straight on the grill. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Right, so we've got our pieces of corn on the cob, so we're going to prepare these first. We're going to keep one and that's going to go straight on the grill as our base, and then we're going to season the rest and put them in tin foil. So I'll just show you how we season them and get them in the tin foil. Use your tin foil, just going to place your corn in the middle, and what we're going to do first is just baste this with some butter. Now you can add whatever seasoning you like. I'm just going to add some garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic if you like, but whatever seasoning you prefer. And then we're just going to roll that, so all that garlic powder sticks to it. And I'm just going to roll that up and just wrap the ends like a sweet. The next one we're going to put down, and we're going to just cover that with some chicken seasoning. For the final one, we're just going to get our corn on the cob. So we're going to cover with butter again, and then we're going to cover it with some smoked paprika. So we're just going to place them on the grill and leave them on a high heat with the lid closed for 5 minutes, and then we'll turn them. Once that corn's come off, and it looks and smells divine, so it's time to get this unwrapped and give it a bit of a taste test. So we've got the one that was on the grill first on its own, so this one to me seems a little bit dry, but we'll try that. Then we've got the one that had the garlic and the butter. Then we've got the paprika and the butter, and then we've got the one that just had the chicken seasoning. So we'll try the plain one first. So this is the one off the grill. It's shriveled up a little bit. You can see there's a lot more colour in this one here that's had the butter on it, and this one as well because it's had butter on, and they seem a lot more moist because they've been steamed in that foil. And then we've got this one that's been in the foil but it's got no butter on it, just chicken seasoning, and we've got a little bit of char on there. Not as much colour as what's been in these, but we'll give it a bit of a taste test now. So we'll start with the one that's straight on the grill. That's pretty good, a little bit dry. There's not a lot of moisture in there. I mean, it was on for 20 minutes, but I did turn it as you saw. So we'll go now for the paprika and the butter. Next we've got the garlic and the butter. Still really moist. And finally we've got the one, no butter, just the chicken seasoning. That tastes pretty good. One with the paprika and the butter works a treat. The one on its own with the chicken seasoning is pretty good. It's still moist. You haven't got that dryness that I found with the one that you had on the grill. Now don't forget, everything used in my video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so yes, I did eat all those 4 corn on the cobs, and it took me about 20 minutes to get all the kernels out of my teeth. But I found the best one out the lot with the most flavour and the most moisture was the one with just the seasoning on and no butter whatsoever. Just put straight in that tin foil and cooked for around 20 minutes. There was some nice charring on there and some nice charring on the others. The others were okay, but what I found was the butter tends to absorb all that flavour that you put on there. So anything you put on there, whether it be the paprika, the garlic, you've got a little hint of it, but not a lot of flavour in there. Whereas with the one I cooked with just the seasoning on its own, I could really taste that chicken seasoning, and it was just really moist with that corn. Let me know in the comments down below how you get on, whether you prefer your corn straight on the grill or whether you wrap it in tin foil and season it or season it after. I found the best way to do it was to season it before and have it in that tin foil. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you get value out of this content, I contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.